This is how you're going to use Hostinger CDN. Hostinger CDN is built into the service and easily enabled via the H panel. So first step is you're going to access the CDN management. You're going to log into your Hostinger H panel, and then from here, going to go to the left side panel right here and then click on websites. Now you're going to go to the performance section and then click on CDN. After that, you're going to enable CDN. Find your domain name and click the manage or configure button. Select the option to enable the CDN. The system will handle the routing and activation. After that, you're just going to clear cache. So after activation, once the CDN is active, clear your browser cache and your website's caching if using a plugin like Lightspeed Cache or a WordPress caching plugin to ensure the new speed boost takes effect immediately. And that's it. That is how easy to use Hostinger CDN. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.